Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening your provider's account recovery page and entering the exact email or username. Make sure your recovery phone or alternate email is at hand. These trigger verification codes. If you have a recovery code or saved app authenticator, locate it now. This speeds the process. Once done, note the last sign-in dates and devices. Providers often ask these to verify identity, so be precise and honest when prompted. Next, follow the provider's identity check step by step. Request an SMS or authenticator code and enter it immediately because codes expire quickly. If security questions appear, answer them exactly as originally entered. Small variations can fail verification. When asked for recent activity, state specific dates, sender addresses, or folder names to prove ownership. If the service requires ID, upload clear photos and include a sign note if requested. This is slow but effective for regaining control. Once verified, reset to a strong, unique password and enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app. This prevents repeat takeovers. Immediately review linked devices and revoke any you don't recognize, then update recovery phone and alternate email so future recovery is smoother. If the automated recovery fails, escalate via the account support or appeal form, include your incident ID, and attach the same ID photos and activity notes. Expect a reply window and follow up promptly if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.